Welcome to the ultimate roundup of Amazon's most innovative gadgets. If you're looking for products that can make your life easier, more organized, or just a little more fun, you're in the right place. From smart kitchen tools to must-have fitness accessories, these gadgets are perfect for anyone who loves convenience and functionality. Make sure to check out the links in the description to grab these amazing items for yourself. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more incredible product reviews and recommendations. Let's dive right in. Silent Cat Drinking Fountain. If you're a pet owner, the Silent Leak-proof cat drinking fountain is an absolute game changer. Designed with a whisper-quiet motor, this fountain provides a steady stream of fresh water to keep your furry friends hydrated and healthy. Its leak-proof design ensures that your floors stay dry, while its modern look fits seamlessly into any home decor. The easy-to-clean system makes maintenance a breeze, saving you time and effort. This is more than just a pet accessory. It's a must-have for ensuring your pet's well-being. Want to spoil your pet? Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Mini GPS Tracker. The Spytec GPS Mini Tracker is small but mighty, offering real-time tracking to ensure the safety of your valuables, vehicles, or loved ones. With a user-friendly app, you can monitor locations from anywhere, making it perfect for road trips, deliveries, or everyday security. The tracker's compact design allows it to fit discreetly in any vehicle or bag. Plus, its long battery life ensures uninterrupted tracking for days on end. Whether it's for personal use or peace of mind, this GPS tracker is a must-have. Find it now using the link in the description and take control of your security. Cold brew coffee maker. Coffee enthusiasts, meet your new best friend, the Zulay Kitchen Cold Brew Coffee Maker. This 1-gallon capacity brewer is perfect for making smooth, delicious cold brew right at home. Its durable glass container and stainless steel filter ensure you get the richest flavor with every batch. Say goodbye to daily coffee shop runs and hello to convenience and savings. With its simple design and easy cleaning, this coffee maker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Don't wait. Check the description below to order yours now. Portable hard carrying case. For frequent travelers or busy professionals, the DMoncOat dual-use portable carrying case is a versatile and stylish solution for protecting your essentials. Its hard shell exterior guards against impacts, while the dual-use design lets you carry it as a shoulder bag or a compact case. Whether you're storing electronics, makeup, or other small items, this case ensures everything stays organized and secure. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for anyone who's always on the move. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description. Weightlifting Hooks. Elevate your gym sessions with the DMoose Fitness Weightlifting Hooks. Designed to provide extra grip and reduce hand fatigue, these hooks allow you to focus on your lifts without worrying about your grip giving out. Made with durable materials and a comfortable wrist strap, they're perfect for heavy lifters or anyone working on grip-intensive exercises. Whether it's deadlifts or pull-ups, these hooks are a must-have for your fitness journey. Find the link in the description to level up your workouts now. Glass water pitcher. Stay hydrated in style with the GLACIER Fresh Glass Water Pitcher. This beautifully designed pitcher not only looks great on your table, but also ensures you always have clean, filtered water at your fingertips. It's perfect for serving guests or keeping in the fridge for daily use. The sturdy glass construction and ergonomic handle make it easy to pour, while the large capacity means fewer refills. If you care about style and functionality, this pitcher is for you. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Teeth Whitening Accelerator. Achieve a brighter smile with the MySmile Teeth Whitening Accelerator Lite. This easy-to-use device works with your favorite whitening gel to deliver professional-level results at home. Its powerful LED light enhances the whitening process, helping you achieve a dazzling smile in just minutes a day. Safe, effective, and compact, this tool is a must-have for anyone looking to boost their confidence with a brilliant smile. Check the description below to get started on your teeth whitening journey. Stirring Coffee Mug. Meet the automatic magnetic stirring coffee mug, the ultimate solution for hassle-free mornings. This innovative mug features a built-in stirring mechanism that blends your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at the push of a button. Say goodbye to the mess of spoons and uneven mixtures. Its sleek design makes it perfect for home or office use, and it's powered by durable, long-lasting technology. Whether you're in a rush or simply enjoy convenience, this mug is a must-have for your kitchen or workspace. Ready to upgrade your coffee game? Find the link to buy it in the description below. Olive oil sprayer. Cooking just got smarter with the JULEHUI 16 ounces olive oil sprayer. Perfect for health-conscious cooks, this sprayer delivers a fine mist of oil, ensuring even coating without the excess. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and control, and it even comes with handy stickers for labeling. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making salads, this sprayer will make your dishes both delicious and healthy. No more guesswork, just precision and style in your kitchen. Want to cook smarter? Grab yours now from the link in the description. Orange Juice Squeezer. Freshly squeezed orange juice has never been easier to make than with the Zulay Kitchen Cast Iron Orange Juice Squeezer. Built for durability and efficiency, this heavy-duty squeezer extracts every last drop of juice without straining your hands. It's perfect for oranges, lemons, limes, and even small grapefruits. The solid cast iron construction ensures it will last for years, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Whether for breakfast or cocktails, this squeezer delivers freshness at its finest. Check the link in the description to bring this powerhouse to your kitchen today. And that wraps up our list of must-have Amazon gadgets. Whether it's simplifying your life, boosting your productivity, or just adding a little fun to your routine, these products are designed to make a difference. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorites today. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting product reviews and recommendations. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment to tell us which gadget you loved the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.